Fellas, welcome back. Before I start this stream, I read a message, Jordan saying that he lost his account. He's going to give up trading. It's not for him anymore. Do you hear yourself, brother? Did you think it was going to be easy? Do you think you were going to come in here and make more money than doctors, lawyers, hedge fund owners, and it to be easy? Brother, you got into this process for that. Brother, that just means you're over leveraging. Let's go back into this for a second. That just means you're over leveraging. Why are you risking money you don't have? You're saying you lost thousands over it. Why? If you are not ready to be trading and risking money, why are you risking capital? If you're consistently losing money, why are you trading capital? You should be studying. You should be trading demo accounts. Brother, you quitting because you're out of capital is like saying, I want to be in the NFL, but I'm going to quit because I'm tired. I'm going to quit because I rolled my ankle. Brother, I'm going to quit because practice is over. Like what? What's up, Flip? Let me ask you this. When you lie on your deathbed and your family says, is there anything you could have done to give us the best life we could have ever gotten? And you say, no, because I quit when times got hard. Is that what you want? Brother, quitting because you lose everything is... You lost everything because you don't know how to manage your risk. You lost everything because you're risking money you shouldn't be risking. The issue here isn't your trading. The issue here is your gambling. You went on the markets and you gambled. You went on the markets and you're risking capital you should not be risking. That's why you have lost money. How long have you been trading? Bro, stop buying funded accounts. If you are down to no money, why are you buying funded account challenges? Why? You can't afford them. 1.5 years, brother. I made my first dollar in my 4th year. Come on. Like, I would have give you like soft, calming motivation. Say, you can do it, brother. But you're a man. I'm going to be straight up to you. You're being an idiot. You're buying funded accounts thinking it's a quick fix to all your financial problems. You're gambling. You are the only reason why you are not winning in the markets. I demo traded for the first 2.5 years of my trading. 2.5 years, brother. You're not even in 2 years and you've already lost money. Why? Why are you risking capital? Why are you using money right now? You should be studying. If you go to school to be a doctor, would you automatically become a surgeon and start performing on humans? No. You use fake things until you're a master at it. So if you want to quit, that's perfectly fine. Just remember that you didn't give it your all and you're leaving things on the table. But there's always a way that you can continue doing it, Jordan. As of right now, the best easiest to use it would be 150K. It's 90% off. Right now, guys, before we start the stream, Apex is 90% off. Their sale is ending. The best accounts to get is 150Ks. If you want to get their biggest accounts, it's 300Ks and then 50Ks are just 50Ks. All the same price. Boom, he smacked you with that wake-up call. It's a wake-up call. It's advice I'm giving you straight to your face, brother. You're saying you want to quit because times are hard. Come on. You lost because you made mistakes that you shouldn't have made. You lost because you gambled and put money in the markets thinking it's a quick fix. Brother, there is always a way, Jordan. You're telling me you don't have an hour of your day? Do you have an hour of free time in a day? 60 minutes. You have 60 minutes in your day where you can have free time, where you sit on your phone or do something. You have 60 minutes. Yes or no? Nah, not really. How do you sleep? You don't sleep? How many hours do you sleep? I told you guys, success in my videos, I always say success is a perspective and a mentality. It's not someone being smarter than the other person. It's just off of faith. And it's the prime example here. You have 60 minutes in your day. Spend 60 minutes every day studying the markets, not trading them, studying them for 2 years while you're building up money. When you get yourself to a decent financial situation, then you buy funded accounts. Then watch how your trading changes. Yes, sir. Flip. Yes, there is flip. $6 a.m. to 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you have all the way to 8, all the way to 9. Brother, you sit on the toilet, watch a video. You're laying on your bed, watch a video. There's always a way, brother. The only limit in this world is what you put on yourself. That's the reality of it. You think you can't achieve it, you're not going to achieve it. The fact that I have to sit here and give you a motivational talk that you can't achieve it, odds are, brother, you're not going to achieve it unless you think you will. I make more than doctors, surgeons, lawyers, CEOs, CFOs, chief financial officers. I make more than chief financial officers of Fortune 500 companies, and I'm 19 years old. Do you think that came from not believing that I can achieve it? I'm not giving anyone accounts, Cinco. No one's getting a funded account. Anyways, focusing on the markets now. Good prep talk. You can see we have no SMT. The market's tapped off of midnight open and reversed right back up after that, which happens when price action is very bullish. Price action will rip up higher, retest midnight open, and turn back up higher because that's equilibrium in the range. Now for the bias, let's get rid of the executions here. 1 second. For the bias, it looks bullish. It's bullish. It's going to travel up higher. I am now bullish, anticipating that price action is going to violently attack this high up here and even highs up here. Basing my trading off of that, we can potentially find something for that. Yeah, it's like $100 max. Welcome, Danny. You think it's okay to make more than doctors? Doctors don't become doctors for the salary. Businessmen become businessmen for the salary. Doctors become doctors to help people. That's the main focus. If doctors wanted to make more money than me, they would start a medical business. Then they make more money. Grid wall printing, what's up, brother? No, I'm bullish. I'm bullish, chat. Look at that 5-minute fair value gap right there. I actually kind of low-key want to take that. Beautiful. It looks like 5-minute IO fed. What we'll do is this. So we have 1 win, 1 loss today. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in this trade. Just keeping the tool here. Looks like it's failure swinging off of this. All right, 3-minute reaction there, but other than that, nothing crazy. Just keeping this tool here for convenience. Not in a long. When does my food come? Lovely. It comes in 17 minutes. Oh, yeah. No, 24 minutes. Yes, I did order food. Burrito boys. Glad I didn't get into that. We're in that 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see how we react to it. Does look like a failure swing and it's going to rebalance a little bit, but I am bullish towards these highs, so could be a turtle soup, but we'll see. Does look like it wants to turn up off of that 5-minute fair value gap reaction. So what I will be doing is I would be taking a trade off of that body reaction if we do this. Very, very tight stop loss there. Looking for aggressive push up. I'm not anticipating it to push down again after I get into the trade, so that's why the stop loss is going to be tight. It'll be half of what we won previously. I'm not getting into the trade. Just wait. You need to see a way better body reaction than that. That is looking like it's turtle souping this high. Right? Very neutral right now, but with the right decision, it will go up to the highs. With the right movement. Ow. Ow. Ow, my chest is cramping. Could be OTE. Other than that, stay away from the markets right now. Just be patient. Opportunities will present itself. But yeah, fellas, do not miss out on that Apex sale that will end very soon. One second, chat. One second. Yeah. See that push down there? Not interesting. Looks like it's going to attack that low violently. Terrible, bro. Some firms don't treat their affiliates nicely. That's all I'm going to say. Just got to be patient. Looks like it's turtle souping this high and wants to violently attack the downside, souping that high. But I'm not letting go of that bullish bias now. Now that we had this, I'm bullish and I'm strong with it. But we got to be patient. I mean, we still have those equal lows down in play, though, wherever they were. Right here. So for me to be bearish for the PM session reversal, I need to see an attack against that low. We could get a PM session reversal, chat. We very much could, right? Yeah, that failure swing to that high. Do we have SMT there? Yes, we do. Oh my gosh, chat. Wait, actually, hold on. SMT on these highs. Buy side liquidity. Chat, we ripped towards that low. I'm getting in the trade. Just use the coin flip confluence, flip a coin. Bro. Nice 5-minute inversion fair value gap there. Low key, I might take that. But at the high, actually, we will be less aggressive. I'm going to take this, chat. A lot lower risk, though. Once it breaks down here. And that trade off that 5-minute little inversion fair value up there. So we have a 1-minute fair value up there as well. Respecting consequent encroachment of that. Bodies are bodying below it, showing heaviness in the market. And we're only risking profits right now, chat. We are not risking capital of the day. We are risking profits. One second, I'm focusing on this reaction right here. Not reading chat. Should stay heavy here. Okay, I'm gonna sell in here. I'm gonna sell this. 1 second. 20 seconds. See if we can get another body closure. This one looks like a deciding body here. Nope. Boom. Patience pays the trader always, fellas. We can still react off that inversion fair value gap though, so just gotta wait. See how we react to it. Could be a lost leg of manipulation if it pushes it down right away and fixes that displacement. I see that a lot of the times. Why don't I answer? Brother, I'm clearly focusing on the charts right now. Like you typed one message. Could be manipulation there. That could be a manipulation. Like we just need the body below there. Oh yeah, get me in this trade. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in.
Order filled.
Adding more positions once it breaks this low here. Not even needs to break it, but if it attacks it, like a nice body reaction here, I'm adding more positions. Because I can drag my stop loss to that order block high. Ten seconds to see if this body closure is nice. Body a little bit lower. It's a nice body closure, but we need to wait on what this candle does. See, it's in this mitigation block. This is a mitigation block, chat. That's a valid stop loss drag. I'm gonna drag my stop loss there regardless now. Minimize risk. Now we're risking only like 150 bucks on this trade, but I will add more positions if it visits this low again. Put it a tick above there just in case. Should reject off of this level right here. Should not trade up to mean threshold. W drag stop loss. Minimize risk already. Already minimizing risk. The levels from insiders in Wall Street. What are you talking about, bro? It's not rejecting off that order block. Looks like this could be the manipulation. That's why my stop loss is here. We're only risking $100 on this trade now. Only risking $100 on this trade. We take that low. We even touch that low and I'm getting into more positions. Respecting mean threshold of that with the bodies. Let's see how we continue to react off of it. $150. 150 bucks on this trade. Shekels. Yes, I am. I mean, yeah, I'm adding 3 more contracts. If it pushes towards that low. I don't like this so far. I was liking it though. But if it respects the law of the mitigation block, I'm adding more positions. Should rip lower at this point. This candle should rip lower. If we're bearish, this should be the candle that rips lower. Oh, my food's here. Yeah, what is it? It's probably like $130 risk now. Beautiful risk management. If we get stopped, we get stopped. That is okay. And then I have to go run and get my food. Okay. W cut risk trade. How much did we lose on that? $130. I'm going to quickly run and grab my food and then I'm going to come back to the markets. 1 second, chat. back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Markets have been so shitty the past 2 days, but we follow risk management. We'll survive it. When it gets to cleaner opportunities, we're going to capitalize off of it. You guys want to see what I got? I still think it's bearish. Burrito bowl. We could get a re-entry soon. Just need to see a break below that rejection low. Come to daddy with this food, brother. Beautiful reaction on that 5-minute fair value gap, though. That bearish one. Look at that. We could get a re-entry here, chat. Could take a re-entry. Just gotta wait for a displacement to the downside. What's GD? Trading full time. Let's go, Swoop. Consolidation right now. No, I played Geometry Dash when I was a kid, though. Bro, what do you mean? Of course I beat Stereo Madness. Still staying away right now. 2 fair value gaps on the 5-minute. Just need to be patient. Just need to be patient. Dashcam Daily, how many times have you said you gotta use the bathroom? I swear you've said it like 8 times today. Patience, patience, patience. But yeah, listen. These types of days are the days where profitability and unprofitability is separate. The profitable traders follow the risk management and don't get affected by it. Bro, I literally have the best mods. What are you talking about? But you just gotta be patient, chat. In times like this, it's only 2 days. Only 2 days of bad price action. Just trust the process. It's all a process. Yeah, it's gonna rip and tack this high. Fly me out to Toronto. Pause. I'm not flying no man out. Hey, yo. Yeah. Ripping up to this guy here. Let's look at gold. Gold is ugly. Stay away from gold. So one trade that we had an L on, we lost $100 on, right? Lost $130, so we're still in profit. Brother Ben, you're very red this month? No, not at all, brother. I'll tell you exactly what I'm on. I am negative 1,500. Negative 1,500 each account. For 300Ks? Come on, brother. That's not very red. Brett's, that does not matter if I have more losses than wins. Go back to every stream and look at the P&L, add them together, and then subtract it from the P&L that you added together, the profits, and then come back to the stream and tell me it's not $1,500. Brother, I could take 2 million losses and 5 wins. If those wins are way bigger than my losses, I can still be in profit. Losing 13 minutes. Yeah, brother Ryan, trust the process always. We're attacking that high here. You're done taking a shit. Let's go, Dashcam. Brother doesn't know what risk to reward is. I know. People that say that just aren't profitable because they don't understand the law of risk management. See, Shirsh Sharma, that's amazing risk management, brother. Amazing. Not a good mentor. His hit rate is low, but in the long term, he makes money. Not a good mentor. How am I not a good mentor, bro? For months, I haven't been profitable, brother. I got payout. Like I did not get a payout in December because it's December, but I got a payout in November. Brother. Lock in, twin. Took that high. Lock in, brother. Lock in. Oh, Bratz. Oh, Bratz. It's okay, Bratz. You probably copied one of my losing trades and got upset. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. How much contract should I risk with the 50K? $250 risk per trade. Guys, you want to know a common pattern? Every hater that comes in the chat has no profile picture and no posts on YouTube and doesn't stream. That's why every time I see him, I check their profile and I just, like, it's a compliment. All my haters are unprofitable, bro. Don't have a single profitable hater. Don't have a single profitable hater. Hey, comes from below. Yeah, I know. It's not an S53 AMG. It's a CLS 53 AMG. Brats, that sounds like jealousy, brother. Sounds like jealousy, brother. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this hater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 streams he's been in. Wow. Loyal. I appreciate it. Come back next one. Please explain the trade that you took. No liquidity sweep. What are you talking? The most recent one? Turtle soup. That's a liquidity sweep, brother. It was the wrong direction. The amount of ads I get from streaming. I don't run ads, bro. I don't know why. Ben, buy me a funded account. Prove them that they're wrong. I'm doing great, Danny. I am doing great. We are in profit today. Patience is key, fellas. Oh. One second, chat. Just because people aren't agreeing, praising you doesn't mean they're haters. Brother, calling me a shit trader that only loses and if you inversed me you'd win is not disagreeing. Why do you think you're not banned, John? Because you disagree with me every stream I stream. Look at that reaction there. I'm not getting a snowball Yeti mic, bro. What's up, Bowler Monkey? Bro, I'm not getting you no funded accounts, bro. What are you talking about? Stop. Patience, guys. No volume in here right now. We just souped that high. Friday's high. We still have that new week opening gap down there. This could be the high of the week. Bro, McDonald's spicy Thai chili crispy chicken sandwich wraps are the best. This is all manipulation, by the way, guys. This is all engineered liquidity. Like, we're going down here, and this equal low, these equal lows, these lows are all engineered liquidity that's gonna get wiped out before it turns back up higher. It's just a matter of time on when we get to that. There was no contradictions, John. You just did not understand what I was saying properly. Video proof, post in my Discord. I told you guys, this guy, every stream, he's always trying to call me out on something. It's that evil eye. Gotta watch out for people like that. People that just want to break you down wherever you are. That's why in your personal life, never talk about your money or financial situation, because there's always people with grudges. Where's the cowboy hat? It's over there, but then I can't have my headphones on. Yep, 3K today. Let's go, brother. Keep him, Camelot. I just don't like to be wrong. Hey, John, I know when you're wrong. When you said that you only watch my streams to see if Apex are good accounts to buy. How long does it take you to buy a fucking funded account? It's been 3 weeks of you coming into my stream saying that the only reason why you're here is to understand if Apex are good accounts to buy. No hate, though. Boom. Used his logic against him. Flipped them around. Put him upside down. Put him in the toilet. Flush the toilet. Give him a swirly whirly. Brother got contradicted himself. I think the real reason was you secretly have a crush on me. Secretly have a crush on me. John secretly likes Benjamin SMC. No, I would never make a prop for him. My food's done. I'm gonna cry. That is not how you spell Gran Turismo, CJ Adams. Yeah. See you next stream. There you go. Didn't say that was the only reason. Now that's the main reason. I said I wasn't John, sounds like excuses to me. Sounds like excuses. John Pork in the chat making excuses and contradicting himself, caught in live 4K 2026. John Pork in chat contradicting himself 4K. Yeah. Listen, brother. Past 2 days have been tough for majority of the traders in my inner circle. Every single trader lost yesterday, and some won today, some lost today. But the past 2 days have been pretty tough. No, I like to do that though, Drake. That's the problem. Does the monthly payment go away after you pass the EPAX eval? Yep. You have to pay the activation fee, then you don't need to pay monthly payments. Yeah, the guy, I'm not blocking John, but the guy that was in stream for 12 streams in a row hating, I did block him. 12 streams in a row is a little bit like in your mom's basement type of shit. Brother probably has like cottage cheese in between his toes. Fucking Cheeto dust on his fingertips. Brother hasn't showered in 4 weeks. Brother's probably sitting on his gaming chair with his stomach out, eating on chips, watching my streams and complaining. Bro probably thinks it's the pharmaceuticals' fault for the reason why he's fat. Bro probably says he's big boned and he's not fat. I'm having too much fun. Yeah, nothing crazy right now. You can see that there's that 5-minute fair value gap reaction, but we did just take a form of buy side liquidity, so we need to wait for reconfirmation because of that. Taken, I got a whole grown-ass man to go spend his valuable time to go back in stream to find timestamps of me contradicting myself to then post it in the Discord to get what? Approval? A grown-ass man. Wow. I am very influential. I appreciate it, brother. It'll take him a second. He'll have to flip a cheeseburger in between. Put the fries in the bag. Trump speaking at 2 p.m. It's 2:01. Price must expand before reversing. Yeah, brother. Manipulation, distribution. There's no payout cap, Donovan. There's no payout cap. Is he still in chat? No, he's not. He's gone now. He's probably going back in stream and trying to find the timestamps. Chat, watch. He's going to put the timestamps. I'm just going to time him out for 24 hours. Oh, fuck. Oh, he's still in here. He's still in here. All right, brother. Have fun. Have fun finding those timestamps. See you in 20 minutes. Just got an Apex 50K with the code. Let's go, brother. Hopefully you do well. Do you ever mention your option swing trading? No. I'm not regulated to do that. With live capital and option trading, I could get in serious trouble. That's why I don't do it on live stream. Yeah, that's what I have. I just have YouTube Premium. He thinks I lied about my risk management model. He thinks that I said something and then I went against it and then adapted and said that's my risk management model. Like, unemployment final boss. Got a nice reaction from that high though. It's 2 p.m. as well, 2 p.m. open. I wish we could make nicknames for people in chat. Why would he care so hard if he knows how to trade on his own? Because he doesn't know how to trade on his own. He doesn't have anything better to do. That's the reality of it. How was the trading been lately? The past 2 days have been shit. Other than that, I mean, we started off the month on the 2nd with a banger short. Where is it? We caught that hole short. After that, it's just been accumulating and we've been having a little bit of trouble in that, but that was beautiful. Oh, he's still in here, chat. Oh my gosh. John, if you show me what you look like in my Discord, I'll send you $5. Like after stream, if you can come in Discord and we go on a video call, I'll send you $5 and I'll publicly make an apology video for you, John. Correct me if I'm wrong. Definitely overweight, definitely losing hair, and definitely in his mid 40s. Hey, Patrick, stay disciplined, brother. Stay consistent. You got it. John needs a job. John Pork does not need a job. John Pork makes his money from the mafia, bro. Peter Frank, thank you for the subscription, brother. That's why we wait for some movements here, because you see that candle that wiped out a bunch of shorts right there. How much do I bench? 285 for one. You're that mad because you don't want to be proved wrong. I've asked you many times, prove me, brother. I'm not mad, I'm chilling. I just had some burrito boys, I'm chilling, talking to chat, doing what I love for my full-time job. After this, I'm gonna go to the gym. You? What you doing? You're gonna go and spend your time finding videos of me. You're gonna go and clip videos of me. You're gonna go and talk about me. Brother, I'm on vacation in your head right now. You're the brother, I am sipping a margarita on the beach in your brain right now. For validation to be recognized is crazy work, I know. Beautiful reaction off that little manipulation leg there. We're attacking that low beautifully. My only process is how price action reacts, because it could easily just do that, right? This is what we're doing. This is what we're looking at. I think I want to show John something really quickly. Hey, John. No, I'm not that big of a dickhead. Never mind. Literally Okron. Robbie, thank you for the subscription. Patience is key, fellas. Patience, patience, patience. Get rid of the goatee? No, it makes me look so much fatter than I am. Trust me. It doesn't look like a big difference, but when it's off, it's a big difference. Trust me. Trust me, daddy. Pause. That's a Drake reference. Chat, look at this golf ball. I have ADHD, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, people that are successful in life don't have that feeling in their heart to make them feel like they have to prove something. Like, I know a lot of success. I know some billionaires They do not have the time to feel like they have to prove themselves for validation to someone that is irrelevant to them. So obviously I'm relevant to him, and obviously he cares about his people, what people think about him, and that's why he's doing what he's doing. But I could time him out right now or ban him and move on with my day and still have a great day. He can't block me, clearly. He can't leave stream. He's been in stream the whole time. He loves the attention. He thrives in it. He's what we call an attention whore. To have 1K drawdown, usually like 3 trades. No, one trade. In after February, 1 trade. My first trade is $1,000 risk, brother. And Jay Smith, thank you for the $2, brother. I've never traded Lucid accounts, but I heard they're pretty good. But really nothing crazy happening right now. We want to see a little bit more volume to the downside if we're going to look for anything at all. Patience is key, fellas. Patience is key. We're interested in a consolidation after taking buy side liquidity, chat. Oh my gosh, bro. John is still talking. This guy is so angry. Who hurt him? I'm not gonna ban him. I want him to continue to waste his time while I do my thing that I do every day. Patience, 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 chat. Bro, I've been rage baiting him the whole time, bro. This guy's getting so bad. The blue van hurt him. Where should you look for shorts? Not really. You shouldn't really be looking for shorts. Just wait for expansions out of this. Patience. This is just a consolidation, chat. This is just a consolidation. Don't look for anything right now. What's up, Frax? Nothing shows up. Nothing shows up. Beautiful expansion up there. It was looking like it's want to continue to rip up higher here. Electronic trading hours versus regular trading hours, brother. You eat some profits? Me too, brother. I'm hungry of some profits. Relative equal lows there. Could be engineered for later. Everyone's talking about ES. I see ES, guys. I see it. I see it. I see it. It's ripping. It is ripping. I don't think it's going there today, but it is ripping. And it's beautiful. I bet tomorrow's bearish as fuck. Personally, I think that this week will close out bearishly, but we'll see. We will see. No, it doesn't, Camelot. Fine, doesn't. Are you talking about John? Bro, Camelot, how do you have this info, gang? Send it to me on Discord. Ben got offended by a comment and I lied. I responded to that and there's video proof. He asked, bro, he's still talking about the same subject. Oh my gosh. Bro, who's motivating this guy to continue talking? Holy fuck. Ship chopper now. TradingView is the best thing to use. Everyone uses TradingView, brother. If it's lagging, there's something wrong with it you need to fix. John has 4 personalities, bro. Facts. Camelot, I'm waiting for you. John, why do you feel the need to respond, bro? Like, just sit back, grab some popcorn and watch the stream. Why do you care so much? Like, brother, what are you doing? Patience, fellas. Camelot. Send all the info. Consolidation right now, chat. Just consolidation. Asian session is going to be tough though today. Tough as in like good. You look at gold. Look at this. It's my paper account. Look at this. Gold, this thing is going to move in Asian session. We get some sort of expansion out of this range. TikTok, 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Can I show stream? Can I show stream? I'm just gonna screenshot the face. Just say, this is potentially who John is. Let's see how his reaction is. John, is that you? Please be honest. If you're honest, I will actually appreciate you. If you're honest. Oh, it's definitely him. He put NO with both caps. Yo, it's definitely him. Brother. Still in a consolidation chat. Nothing crazy. Bro, he's not typing in chat anymore. If that's him at that age arguing with a 19-year-old. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah, it's got to be him. He's not texting in chat anymore. Consolidation after taking this high. You live in Venezuela, brother? What happened to him? He left stream, bro. He left stream. Bro. Yo, I don't know how you found that, Gavlot. But I love you for it. Oh, I know it's bullish. Bro, the markets are chopping right now. Oh no, he's in here. Yeah, that's definitely him, chat. Wait. Yo. I can't. I can't. Bro's got aura. Yeah, it's 30% off. I have to update the code right now. I'll do it after stream. Price action gets back to normal for me mid-February. Every year, it goes back to like consistently normal. But I do still trade in January. Bro, Camelot, what do you think Camelot's profile picture is, bro? Not right now, but on TikTok. It's my dad. He found my dad. He found my dad. Yo. Bro, every time you type in chat and say that suspension, I always almost read it out loud. Yes, video proof. Who cares, John? Fuck. Holy shit, this guy's weird. All right, we've had enough of John. See you later, John. Have a nice one. Thank you for the $2, Moreno. I appreciate it, brother. Camelot, that's the message directed towards you. John needs a hobby. Facts. I think Benjamin has been taking a liking to John. Maybe secret relationship tensions in between me and John have been going on behind the scenes. Maybe the reason why he's going crazy is because I cut him off. Yo. I'm not telling you that, Bob. Like, what? Bro says, what area do you live in, Toronto? I'm 57 and learning off a 19-year-old. I'm proud of it. Hey, thank you, Pavel. Let's go. Yeah, nothing really happening for the PM session anymore, chat. I think we might close the day finishing a little bit in profit, but just by a little bit. A little bit of damage control. I'll just call it a break-even day. Like 150, 200 bucks. So I think we'll come back for the PM session now. I'm not showing my, not PM, Asian session. I'm not showing my Apex accounts on Asian. It will be different accounts. My Top Step XFA. But damage control, chat. One losing day, one minor winning day, and then tomorrow we bang it out and make everything and we sit in profit. Discipline and risk management, fellas. I'm going to prove you all and show you all why it matters right now. ICT's lost his marbles. I stopped watching ICT a while. Other than that, let's finish in prayer and I'll see you guys on the Asian session. Boring PM, but hey, sometimes that's the reality of it. Trading is boring sometimes. Send it to me, Camelot. Quick, before I end stream. I'm from Brampton? Nope. Toronto. Brampton is not Toronto. But yeah, fellas, we're finishing prayer. Is my dad a salesman? No. No, he's not. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Please be with us, forgive us for our sins, and glory and praise be to your name. Help us, lead us in the direction that we need to be, Father, and help us make the right decisions. In Jesus Christ's holy, amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, chat. Moreno, is this you? Can I show your face? Can I show your face on stream? If I can show your face on stream, and you can let me know if you got it right. I'm not going to show his daughter. Is this you, Moreno? Please say yes. No? This isn't you? Camelot, L-Mans. All right, chat. I'll see you guys in the next one, Asian session, and then I'll see you guys 9:20 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube. Tough little days, but hey, listen, we're going to bounce back from it and make a lot of money and capital, fellas. So stay tuned. We got a big day tomorrow. A great day. Not streaming Asian session tomorrow, though. And yeah, fellas, stay disciplined, stay consistent, just like we always are in these streams. Just like we always are. And we're going to make a massive payout for our last payout on these accounts. Take care. God bless.